Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a unpackaging for you. Now this is something that I brought from the Stackers Social Marketplace. Now for those of you that are new to my channel and you haven't heard of Stackers Social is a free to join Discord group. It costs absolutely no money to join. You literally have to just download the Discord app to your phone or to your laptop. Then you sign up using the links that's in all of my video descriptions, and then you can start chatting away to like-minded people that stack precious metals. Now you don't have to use your real name, you can make up a name, and it's a real nice way of staying anonymous but still socializing with people within the same community and have the same interests as you. But this was actually picked up from the Stackers Social Marketplace. I can't remember who from now, so do let me know in the comment section below if it was you that I picked this up from. But this was actually picked up from the Stackers Social Marketplace. The marketplace over on Stackers Social is growing day by day. If you head over there now, there is not only silver for sale, there is gold for sale, there is gold backs for sale, there are coin capsules for sale, there are bars for sale, the new Queen's Beast Completer bar, the 10-ounce version and the 1-ounce version. That's where I got both of my capsules from the community over there. So it really is a place where you can pick up anything that you need to do with your stacking journey. And not just that, the marketplace is just a small part of Stackers Social. Stackers Social is a huge platform with lots of different features on there. So definitely worth heading over. We've got a new podcast that's recently been launched last Sunday with Stacking with Craven and Sandy Millington, and they co-host a podcast over on Stackers Social every single Sunday at 5 PM UK time. And they get on different guests and they talk about their stacking journeys. So a really cool, fun place to be. And this is where I picked up this piece today. So I know what's inside here because I've written on the other side what it is, but I can't remember exactly who I brought it from. But yeah, definitely worth heading over. If you're stacking precious metals, especially if you're in the UK, when you buy precious metals from a bullion dealer, when you buy them brand new, you have to pay 20% VAT. So if you're going to the second-hand market, like Stackers Social, somewhere like that, then you're literally going to save. Hang on, there's a bit of text on here. Let me see what that says. Oh, I'm going to turn it round. That's got an address on there. But yeah, like I was saying, if you go on Stackers Social or somewhere like that where you're buying your silver second hand, you actually avoid that 20% VAT. So it's definitely worth, if you're stacking silver and you live in the UK, to go to places like Stackers Social where you can buy silver second hand and you're going to pick it up a hell of a lot cheaper than if you buy it brand new and pay that 20% VAT. But let's have a little look at this piece now. Really excited to showcase this. It's something I've had my eye on for quite some time now, and as soon as it popped up, I knew that I had to have it. Absolutely loving the pouch that it's arrived in as well. Nice silk pouch. And let's have a little look at this piece of silver. Look at this. Now, I'm not a massive fan of colorized silver. I never have been. I don't really like gold gilded or gold plated pieces of silver. For me, gold gilded is just basically a fancy word for gold plated. I'm not really a fan of messing around with silver. I like my silver to be silver, just a standard color of silver. But every now and then a piece like this pops up and it looks absolutely incredible, and I know that I just have to add it to my stack. Now this is a Coca-Cola branded silver bar. Coca-Cola have lended their branding and their logo and their trademark to lots of different silver producers. You quite often see Coca-Cola amongst the stacking community. They have really got their logo out there on gold and silver. And there's lots of pieces out there, lots of cool pieces that have the Coca-Cola branding on it. But for me, this one really stood out. It's got a really vintage feel on this side. It looks really sort of like an old advertisement that you would see on like a billboard or somewhere. And when you flip it around to this side, absolutely stunning design on there. Really, really nice. So, like I said, this is a colorized piece. The edges, I don't think the edges are colorized. No, the edges are normal silver. But as soon as I saw this bar, I knew that I had to grab it for the collection because it's absolutely stunning. It's a 1 ounce piece of silver. I don't think it actually says the weight on it. Oh, it does say the weight on there. Really, really small. At 1 ounce, 3/9 fine silver. Coca-Cola company. So yeah, really smart what Coca-Cola have done actually, because every time a company puts their logo on their brand, they've had to actually pay for the rights to do that. So Coca-Cola are not only making a nice royalty by letting companies put their logo on pieces, they're also pushing their logo for free. So not only free, they're actually getting paid for other people to promote their logo, which is a really, really clever business move, because Coca-Cola is such a strong brand. Many people that invest know how well the stock price of Coca-Cola has done. It's one of Warren Buffett's highest performing stocks, I believe, in his whole portfolio. And he talks very highly of Coca-Cola. It's made him a hell of a lot of money. So people in the investing world know about Coca-Cola, and people, even if they don't invest, people just enjoy the drink. It's a really big brand of name. And I think it's a really smart move from Coca-Cola to not only let other brands use their logo to promote their product for them, but they're also getting paid as well at the same time for those companies that are using their logo. So yeah, clever business move. And we have got some really stunning pieces with Coca-Cola branding on them in the community because of that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Just a shorter video there today to showcase this piece. Let me know in the comment section below, do you have any Coca-Cola branded silver or gold in your stack? I'll be interested to hear. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.